what's up, Sami here. So this is the Redmi K50 Ultra. So in this video, we just unbox it. Let's get started. This is the Redmi K50 Ultra. So this video is just gonna be a very simple unboxing, check out the design, the specs, and that's it, all right? So first we check out the packaging, Redmi K50 Ultra, and some basic information here, like 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, and the color is elegant black, all right? And some other information that you will never gonna read. Okay, open the box. We have, that's the usual stuff. That's really the usual stuff, all right? The pen, and also a manual, and also a transparent case. It's pretty standard, all right? And then we have the phone. Let me find a better place, all right? All right, so that's the Redmi K50 Ultra. Now I found a better place to show you more details. So that's the lens. I will list the specs of the camera on the screen. You can check them out. Here we can see 108 megapixel text, and then that's the back. Oh, I like the matte finish. Actually, not either to get the fingerprints or smudges, as you can see. That's great. So let me walk you through the design. All right, let's show you if you can see clear. The speaker, infrared blaster, and also we have the denoise mic. That's quite a standard, Xiaomi design, right? On the left side, nothing, and here is the Type-C port and the denoise mic, also the speaker. And here is this SIM card tray. Let me check what's the SIM card type. Dual SIM card, not supporting SD card expansion. And here we have the power key and the volume rocker, and that's it. And that's the screen. Starts from 3,000 RMB. That's about 300 US dollars. And we see some specs here. 1.5K screen and 120 watts plus 5,000 milliamp battery and a 108 camera. As time is really tight, I cannot test the camera for you. I will just take a few samples. Okay, no worries. I will test cameras later, so no worries about that. I will even compare with the 12S Ultra, right? So no worries about that. This Ultra, my first impression is I'm not sure if it's really good. It seems very normal, right? Okay, Redmi 50K Ultra, 8 plus 3 gigs of RAM, Android. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. All right, nothing new. Like I said, this is very simple unboxing. Oh, speaking of boxing, let's check out what's in the box. What else? 120 watts charger and a USB Type-C cable, and that's it. That's it. That's all the unboxing today. Stay tuned for tomorrow's camera test. I will compare it with the 12S Ultra. All right. Okay, that's for today. I hope you enjoy watching it. Though I didn't say anything too much, right? All right. Stay tuned. Bye bye.